To activate H&R Block software, follow these steps. First, ensure you have purchased and received a valid activation code from H&R Block, as this code is required to activate the software. Next, download and install the H&R Block software from the official website or insert the installation CD into your computer and follow the installation prompts. Once the software is installed, launch the H&R Block program and click on the Activate Now button. You will be prompted to enter your activation code, which is typically a series of numbers and letters. Carefully enter the code, making sure to avoid any typos or mistakes. After entering the activation code, you will be asked to create a user account or log in to an existing account. This account will be used to save your tax information and access other H&R Block services. To create an account, provide the required information, such as your name, email address, and password. If you already have an account, simply log in with your existing credentials. Once you have created or logged into your account, the software will connect to the H&R Block servers to verify your activation code and account information. This process should only take a few seconds. After verification, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the software has been successfully activated. To ensure smooth activation, make sure your computer meets the system requirements for the H&R Block software and that your internet connection is stable. It is also essential to keep your activation code and account information secure to prevent unauthorized access to your tax information. By following these steps, you can easily activate your H&R Block software and start preparing your tax return. Remember to always use legitimate activation codes and follow best practices for account security. To protect your sensitive information,